MK2. Let's do this. Okay, this is kind of a tricky area because, you know, enemies can come from like any directions. Well, no, basically from front, but still, yeah, double kills. This is amazing, actually. Okay, alright, it's been any interference, but our teammates are clearing it. We need to go in there and take some action. There's our first shot, double kills, triple kills. Yeah, that was amazing. Okay. Let's see some trouble here, and that's one shot, one kill. Boom boom, pistol magic. Sentry gun. Okay, you can deploy here, there it is. Now what did it do? Overkilling. Wow, that's 3 kills. That's our chopper right there. That's where I can go. They spawn, and you know. Alright, this is gonna be hard. It's not really one-shot kill at like large distances, but only for short distances. It's not as good as the killable action, obviously. Alright, let's just fire these people up. I love fire weapons in like close ranges. This is actually very efficient. Wow, frenzy kill. Our chopper is actually doing a pretty good job right there. Wow, mega kill. I mean, that is straight up out of a Disney movie or something. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that kind of flopped, I think. Where are the enemies? Where are you? Alright, there it is. Okay, I missed it, but well, they captured the hard point, didn't they? Now we're just gonna take your place away, if you don't mind. Where are you? I don't see you anywhere near this direction, even though on the map, technically in front of us. Whoa, one shot kill. Let's set our chopper gunner to there. That's where they spawn. And that's where chopper gunners are used more. Very useful more. Okay, that's hip fire, boom. Okay, we are running out of bullets real quick. Replacement, I think. Replacement gun. Hardpoint contested. I see anybody here. Alright, there's one. Missed. Contact with enemy. Okay, there's the one. Okay. I'm gonna have to find a replacement gun. There's like 2 bullets on this gun. I hope we can kill him. Anybody? Okay. Oh, yes. 1 bullet left. Hope kill somebody. Yeah, whatever. I'm switching. I forgot to look at the gun's name. Alright, assault rifle. Very good fire rate. But the damage is good. Doesn't really need that much of reloads because, you know, I just reloaded it because of safety reasons. I just want to be safe. Okay, where are these people? I don't see you. Hardpoint owned. Okay. Dude, come and claim your hardpoint. It's yours, right? You want it, right? Right, let me just fire these people up real quick. Wherever they are. Yeah, there it is. Brutal, of course. Brutal. Of course, if we don't kill them, they'll kill us. It's a kill or be killed situation. So there's a sentry guns right about there, and Chopagana. Yeah, I think I misplaced it. Fuck it. Where are these people? Okay, double kills. Wow, that's amazing. I think I'm going to be number one because it's not just about the amount of people I killed, it's also about the amount of times I died, which is 0. Great. And there we go. We won. Victory. Of course, there's just no doubt about that. I mean, that's your MVP moment. I just killed one guy. Oh yeah, that's a good moment. 3 kills, triple kills. You could say that. Victory, victory, victory. Next. 36 kills. That's good. Hope you like this video. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.